Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing things a little different. I'm going to be showing you guys how to apply press-on nails from my brand. Yes girl, my brand. Very quality press-on nails, and I'm just going to show y'all how to apply them with the jellies. These are the jellies. It comes with 12 on each side, so you can multi-use them, and like you'll have extras basically. It comes with a nail file, double-sided mini nail file. Very good nail file. Then it also comes with a cuticle pusher. So like if you wanted to push back your cuticles, sometimes I use it to take my nails off, to like kind of ply them off as well. So I definitely underestimate these little jellies, but they work so good, y'all. Like so good. So first, I start by sizing my nails, my actual nails. And let me tell y'all, I mix and match the nails because my nail beds are very, like, they're small, but they're different sizes may fit somewhere else. So right now, I'm just going through and sizing them and trying to get it right so they'll look nice and natural. Look like they come in, like I just got my full set done. This is the mistake that a lot of people make. People always think that you have to put the nail in the order that it's given. No, it's given to you in a certain order because that's just how they want it to be. But it's your nails. You can put them wherever you want to put them. If the thumb fits on your middle finger, put the thumb on your middle finger. Now that everything is sized and how I want it to be, I'm about to go ahead and push my cuticles back. I don't always push my cuticles back. It's actually a decision that you can make on your own, but if you want to push your cuticles back, you can. It's optional. It is best to push your cuticles back because it just makes it look more realistic, and that's what we're going for. You don't want your nails to look like press-ons. You want them to look like acrylics, very much just came out of the shop. So to save myself from confusion, I'm gonna go ahead and lay them out in front of me in the order that I want them to be in. Basically like which nail I want it to be on. Just so that I don't get confused, I'm gonna take my nail file and I'm gonna start buffing my nails. I use a file to buff my nails because if you realize when you go to shops and get your nails done, they're filing your real nail just to make it so that it's more, I don't know the word, y'all. I really don't know the word, but it basically helps the glue stick better. It helps the nails stick on better and last way longer. So definitely a step that you don't want to miss. Guys, so this is another secret that I do to get my nails to look very natural. So I take the nails, I resize them again, and I kind of shave off the sides just to make it so it's not so sharp on the ends. So right where the cuticle is, I kind of just shave them and shape them just so that it fit exactly how I want them to fit and look exactly how I want them to look. So here I'm just going in with the jellies and I'm size fitting them because the jellies come in different sizes. So we're going to make sure we get the right jelly for the right nail. And I'm just going to do this one by one repeatedly. Same process for each nail. Some nails you do not have to like file the ends and stuff. I kind of do it with all of them just because it doesn't look as sharp. But like I said, you don't have to do that. It's optional. It's just what I like to do. Let me tell y'all, I honestly underestimated these jellies like to the fullest. When I first got them in, I said I'm gonna test run them for my clients before I start selling them in the box, because to me these little stickers look like play like a joke, you know what I'm saying? I didn't think that they was gonna be able to hold my nails on. I thought it was gonna be some play dollar store glue stickies, but let me tell you guys, it's the complete opposite. These things work so good. And I do have a clip towards the end. If you watch it all the way, kind of towards the end, I have a clip of me trying to take the nails off, trying to show you guys that they really ain't no joke. Like, it literally takes a long time for me to get them off. So y'all gonna see. Just stay tuned and keep watching. The finished product of these nails are so pretty, you guys. Like, literally gorgeous. I got so many compliments on my nails. It was unbelievable. So this is my Playboy set that is also going to be on the Instagram. If y'all see the Instagram in the left top corner, make sure y'all go follow. Make sure y'all go show some love, and make sure y'all get those orders in. The holidays are coming up, and I don't want y'all to miss out on these sales. These are definitely custom designs. So yeah, just check out our website. The website is going to be in the description box below. And if you're new, make sure you subscribe, like, and comment. Let me know what you guys think of this video and what you guys would like to see more of. So it's just the same process throughout the whole hand. Make sure when you're pressing on the jellies, you get them on really, really good. So I just took all the plastic off of the jellies, and then now I'm just going through with the nails and I'm sticking them on. When you stick them on, ladies, please put pressure on the nails. You want to make sure that they're on good, like really, really good. So you're going to make sure you get pressure on them. And also, we do sell liquid glue. If you're going to be using glue, it's the same thing. I'm going to do another video with the glue instead to show you guys how to not get like the air bubbles in there and stuff like that. With the jellies, it's kind of hard to not get air bubbles. Either way, they still look good, but to avoid that, make sure you apply a lot of pressure when you're putting the nails on. Don't be soft, don't be gentle. Apply pressure. Here's another tip. Put the nail right after the cuticle. Do not put the nail over your cuticle. You don't want them to be over your cuticle because it just doesn't look natural. Y'all, we want these things to look like a full set. Not like you just didn't know where to stick your press-ons, you know? Y'all see me applying pressure. You want to hold it, hold it, hold it. And make sure you press. Like, look at me. I'm pressing real hard. And that nail ain't going nowhere, honey. Nowhere. Boom, just like that, you a baddie. It took me what, 9 minutes to get these on? Not even, probably 5 minutes. Y'all, just that fast you can have your nails done. This is why I love press-on nails. Literally, I had to do it. I had to do it to them. Like, this is one of my favorite sets, y'all. Like, look at the difference. No nails, and then look at my nails. Like, come on. You can't miss out on these. Like, these are hot. Yeah, one of my favorite sets. Nice and long. Definitely gonna wear them multiple times just because I know I can. And the fact that I'm in the military really, really helps. I can be versatile. I can wear my nails and then I can take them off for work. And they're very sturdy. Y'all see me trying to lift them. They're not going anywhere. They're not going anywhere. So cute. So in. Love them. Oh my gosh. Literally, I'm so in love with these nails. I know y'all probably think I'm being so over dramatic, but like, are they not cute? Like, are they just not cute? They're so cute to me. Y'all make sure y'all follow the Instagram above in the top left corner, and make sure you give this video a thumbs up. If you like these nails, give this video a thumbs up, like right now. Like, go right now and smash that thumbs up button. Like, I want to have over a whole bunch of likes on this video. Like, how can you not like these nails? If you don't like them, all right, keep it moving, keep it pushing. But if you like these nails, make sure y'all tune in to Royal Nails. Make sure you get you a royal set and become a royal gal, because why not? So many different sets to choose from online on the site, which will be in the description box below, ladies. We will have it in the description box below. Go click that link and go follow our Instagram and go check out our website right now. So I'm about to show you guys how I take them off, or just show you guys how tacky this glue is. It does not take 2 seconds to take these nails off. You literally got to put in a little bit of work, okay, honey? You think you're going to hit your nail and it's going to pop off? No. These ain't going nowhere. Let me show y'all. I definitely would suggest soaking them off, because it would be an easier process just to soak them off and not have to go through all this hassle. This does conclude the end of our video, ladies. I hope you guys loved it and I hope you guys enjoyed it. I hope you guys tune in. Thank you for watching so much. Leave a comment, like, and subscribe. Bye.